In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Google Keep. If you've been wishing for richer formatting in your notes, the good news is that Google Keep now supports basic text styles, including bold. This feature is available in supported versions, mainly on Android and on the updated web version, and it makes important details in your notes stand out much more clearly. Let's walk through how to do this on a computer using the web version. First, open your browser and go to keep.google.com. Once you're in Google Keep, open a note that you want to edit. Now select the words you want to emphasize by dragging your cursor over the text to highlight it. With the text highlighted, look toward the bottom left of the Notes toolbar and click the Format button. It's the one that looks like a capital A. When the formatting panel appears, click the B icon for bold. Your selected text will instantly switch to a thicker, more prominent style, making it easier to spot at a glance. If you prefer to work quickly from the keyboard, there's a faster way. After highlighting your text, press Ctrl plus B on Windows or Command plus B on a Mac. The shortcut toggles bold on and off so you can apply it just as easily as you can remove it. This is especially handy when you're moving fast, taking notes during a meeting or lecture, and want to keep your hands on the keyboard. While we're here, it's helpful to know what else is available. Google Keep now supports a small set of formatting options beyond bold, including italic, underline, and simple headings like H1 and H2. These tools can add structure and emphasis to your notes without getting in the way of quick capture. Keep in mind, though, that Google Keep is still a lightweight notes app. It's not designed to replace a full word processor like Google Docs, so the formatting is intentionally simple and focused on the basics. If you don't see the format button or the B icon, you're likely using an older version. Make sure you're on the updated web version of Google Keep or use a supported Android app version. A quick refresh or update usually brings the formatting tools into view. And that's it. You can now bold text in Google Keep on the web with just a couple of clicks or a simple keyboard shortcut. Use it to highlight to-dos, deadlines, or any key information you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.